Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So as the title suggests, I'm going to talk about the worst skincare products which I regret buying and which I feel that it's just wastage of money. I really don't like these products. So in these products, few of the products are sent by PR, but then it's okay. I will make sure that the products which I really don't like, I would be covering all of them. So before I start the video, I would be really happy if you guys hit the subscribe button and just don't be silent watchers. Hit like if you feel that this video was helpful for you or would be helpful in future. Share this video with your friends and families. And yes, let's just start the list because I have at least 8 to 9 products to share with you. So yes, let's just start the video. So the first one which I want to show you is this Forest Essential lightening and brightening Tejaswini emulsion. So if you guys don't know, Forest Essential is a luxurious Ayurvedic brand and this is an expensive product. I got this product an year ago and this costed me around 1675 rupees, whereas right now if you check the price or if you plan to buy, this will cost you around 2175 rupees for 25 grams, which is damn expensive. So this is extremely heavy. Like, the texture of this product is so heavy. Let me just show you guys how it looks like and how the texture feels like. So this tiny product says that it has a base of cow's milk, which instantly will provide you lightening of the skin tone or brightening of the skin tone because it has properties like that. Whereas I feel that this actually reminds me of those transparent Vaseline which we used to use long back, like I used to use when I was a kid. So because of the texture actually. So not at all a good product, guys. Like, would really recommend you guys not to, you know, waste your money into this jar. So this product doesn't blend into your skin. It's really difficult to blend because of the texture, because of the thickness of the texture, and I really wonder that why anybody would like to look oily, because this product just makes you look oily and that's all about it, and it's completely a wastage of money. Don't buy it, don't waste your money. I mean, there are really better products in the market which will give you great instant results and which is inexpensive also. So a big no from my side for this brand, for this product. Not for this brand, because this brand has few good products, but then not this one, guys. No. And the next one which comes on this list is a product by Plum Green Tea. Yes, you heard me right. I know there are products in this range which are really great. Like, I love this green tea toner by this brand Plum. I really like it, but then I don't really like the moisturizer in this range. I don't know why. I really don't like it. So I'm talking about this one, and this is basically a PR product. Let me just show you. They were really sweet and kind enough to send me all the products in this range. Like, I have the green tea toner, then I have this moisturizer, the gel. So yes, but then I really don't like this moisturizer because again, this makes me so oily. This is really heavy on my skin, and although the price is really inexpensive and the product range, I mean the other products are so good, but then this one I really don't like it. So this face moisturizer doesn't absorb into the skin and it has a very strong fragrance which I really don't mind, but then I really avoid using products which got fragrances. This actually makes you look dull, I feel. I mean, yes, and I don't know, I really don't like this product because of the texture, because of the fragrance, and I think it doesn't do anything. So this one is priced at rupees 470 for 50 ml. Though I really like the other variants in this range. The green tea toner is like amazing, and I spoke about it in my most favorite skincare products. In case you guys want to check it out, then I will add the link right up here or maybe here, I don't know. So yes, you guys can go ahead and you know, make your decision to buy or not to buy. So the third one which comes on the list is this underarm cream by the brand Bare Body Essential, and this one is priced at rupees 399 for 50 grams, which is expensive because if I talk about the quantity is not at all good. It's so less. And does it make your skin smooth? Yes, it makes your skin smooth, but does it help in lightening your underarms? No, it doesn't. It makes the skin more sweaty and patchy, and also the fragrance is to die for. I mean, yes, only thing I like about this product is the fragrance. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. I don't have enough words for it. Highly disappointing. And if you guys want to check this product just for the fragrance, then you might go ahead and buy it just only for the fragrance. And the fourth one, guys, is a body moisturizer. And I love applying body moisturizers, body lotions, because I have a dry skin. So I keep on trying different products, different moisturizers from different brands. I have a lot of body moisturizers and lotions. I mean, more than skincare products, because I love applying body moisturizers and lotions, because it's like time pass for me. So yeah, like the one I am talking about, which I don't like it, is this Secrets of Korea, the Shea and Cocoa body butter with White Lotus by the brand Pilgrim. And this brand is a new brand, I would say, because they have recently launched their body moisturizers, their serums, a lot of skincare products they have launched. This one is extremely thick. Now this one is extremely thick. Like I don't know how to tell you guys that the texture is so thick. It's extremely thick, and I know I'm repeating it again and again that it's extremely thick, but it is. Trust me, like I have a dry skin, and on my skin it feels so oily. It literally feels chippa, I would say. It's very oily, so not recommending you guys at all, because the smell is not that great. The fragrance is just, you know, okayish. Not at all good for oily skin people. I mean, just stay away from this product. I mean, don't even think of touching it, because during winters I applied it on my skin and it was so oily. Imagine how it is going to be during summers. I mean, those who have oily skin, just stay away. I mean, really stay away, because you guys will regret if you buy this product, this moisturizer. So this one is priced at rupees 650 for 200 grams, which is like, okay, not that expensive, because the packaging is really nice. It's really great. I mean, it looks so luxurious, and they have actually used high quality you know, boxes and jars, because yes, the packaging, I really like the packaging of this product. And the next one is a scrub, and I was actually hoping to get some nice blend of chocolate and coffee, but apparently this scrub leaves a stain on your skin, and it looks super duper scary. Like, I'm not even kidding, it looks so bad. I actually had to scrub off with a cleanser to get rid of those stains, and highly disappointing again. Matlab, whatever the brand claims, it's all false. It doesn't do anything. And this one is priced at rupees 350 for 100 grams, which is again expensive. Not at all worth buying, and a complete waste of money. So the next one which comes on the list is this Trisol 3-in-1 solution. So this is basically an aftershave lotion kind of a thing, and men, women both can use it, and that's how it looks like. So again, I don't really like this product. This product actually gave me tiny little bumps on the face, and I don't know why people are raving about this product. This one says that you can use it after shaving or waxing, and it will help to, you know, calm your skin. You can use it for razor bumps also, but I don't know why it doesn't suit my skin, and won't recommend you guys. If you guys want to still try, you can go ahead and try, but it's not meant for my skin. This one is priced at rupees 550 for 45 ml. And yes, so the next one is a face wash, and this one is this papaya brightening face wash by the brand Good Vibes. So that's how it looks like. So this face wash is in gel form, having soft consistency, and I've been using it like it's been a week. I use it twice a daily. This spreads easily, and it develops a satiny foam, although it doesn't lather up much. That is why. And the second last product is this Olay Regenerist. Okay, yeah, the light is off. The Olay Regenerist Day and Night Cream, which is for rupees 3098. Damn expensive, and this combo is like useless. I completely wasted my money on this product, and I like at the end I gave it to my auntie, and luckily this suited her skin. So for my skin it was just a disaster, because I got so many bumps on my face, and I really hate Olay products. I don't know why, what ingredients they have which is not suiting my skin, but I don't like it. And the next one, guys, is a vitamin C serum by the brand Prolix R. So this one is a beauty shield antioxidant enriched formula for brightening, anti-aging and even skin tone. That's all the brand claims. And this one is priced at rupees 899 for 30 ml. This one again, it's a PR product, but unfortunately it did not do anything on my skin. So this one, guys, it's actually good for nothing, because it doesn't brighten up your face, nor it helps in fading away your scars or acne. This has a really strong smell, though the fragrance is good, but then it's not at all good for sensitive people. Like, I have sensitive skin, and which is why, you know, initially I was liking it. Later on I realized that the ingredients are not good for my skin. And yeah, like, I did not see any improvement on my skin texture, or like it did not do anything basically. So guys, that was it for today, and I hope that this video will be helpful for you. So those who have sensitive skin, please check the ingredients and then buy the skincare products. It's always good to do that. I will see you guys later, and till then, take care of your health, and I love you all.